So, we use the present continuous to talk about things happening now. Things happening now. We can also use the present continuous to talk about the future. Things happening in the future. So right now, I am teaching. It's temporary, you know, I started teaching 15 minutes ago, I'm going to finish teaching in about 45 minutes. So these things, they're happening right now, but they're temporary things. And that's why we use present continuous. Temporary, just remember that. It's always temporary. Remember, because you're using the verb to be, you need to do I am, you are, he is. But the main verb is always in the ing form, and remember to make it negative, we just add the word not. Nice and simple. The past continuous we use also for temporary things, but they were happening in the past. So we'd start the sentence with he maybe was swimming yesterday, and we'll normally put like some sort of a time reference on it so we know when this was happening. Okay, just remember that in the present simple you have 3 verbs. I am teaching, he is teaching, you are teaching. In the past we only have 2. He was swimming, you were swimming. I've left one of your sentences on the board because within the past continuous we use this a lot, basic, but a lot of the times we merge the past continuous and the past simple together, and it makes it more understandable. When we do this, we're showing, when we do this here, we're showing that something was happening and then suddenly something interrupted it. And these are the basics of the past continuous and the present continuous. And just as a summary, we did present simple and past simple earlier. Remember that we use present simple for facts, for information, for habits, and we use the past simple for completed or incomplete actions. Thank you, Harry.